Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cupcakes UK Easy Guide. Preheat your oven to 180°C fan, then cream 200°G softened butter with 200°G caster sugar until light. Beat in 4 eggs one at a time, add 1 tsp vanilla, and fold in 200°G self-raising flour with 2 tsp baking powder. Stir in 3 tablespoon milk to loosen the batter, fill 12 cases 2/3 full, and bake for about 18 minutes. Start by creaming the butter and sugar until pale and fluffy, then add eggs slowly to keep the mix stable and even. Gently fold the flour and baking powder in with a spatula, adding 3 tablespoon milk if the batter seems too thick. Spoon the batter into 12 cases, filling each 2/3 full to allow for rise. Bake for 16 to 20 minutes until golden, then cool completely on a wire rack before decorating. If you're enjoying these cupcake tips, please subscribe and like to help us make more easy baking guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control is a time saver when cleaning up crumbs, and it's surprisingly handy for busy bakers. I love how it maps rooms so you can focus on frosting, not sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When cupcakes are cool, whip 150°G softened butter with 300°G icing sugar and 1 tsp vanilla until silky and light for piping. Transfer to a piping bag with a star nozzle and hold at a 90° angle to create neat swirls on each cupcake. Finish with sprinkles, a berry, or edible glitter for a charming touch. Serve at room temperature and store in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.